are you sitting here? Let's play. I don't want to play. I want to draw. Look what I brought you. I don't want coloring books. I want new colors. Let's draw something new. Like what? What is this new thing? Let's think about it together. Well, aha! I've got it. What do you think of coloring pottery? Good idea. Let's ask Mom. Okay.
Hooray!
Pottery coloring! La 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 la! Come on! We should wear aprons so we don't get dirty. I love the color purple. I love the color green. Look. Wow! Okay, a little bit here. La la la. La 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 la. La la la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La la la. Mom, take a picture in the middle. Ready, Mom. Ready, Mom.
Bravo!
Mommy, 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 there's something under this. Do I color, Mom? I will color this. La 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 la, la la la.
Wow, my daughter is an artist.
It needs to dry up. I will choose pink. And me.
What color will you choose?
Orange. Wow!
Use a sponge. It helps you more with coloring. Well, come on.
I want more of this.
Pink color? Well, is it the same color?
Yes. Thanks.
Are you going to throw pink?
Yes. First, I will complete the coloring in pink. Mom,
You color the details too, yes?
do I color with this brush? Will I color with
How
this?
beautiful!
With this?
Wow! Of course, to get the same details as Ayla.
It's me.
Do you like the color orange?
Yes. May I have this brush?
Orange is more beautiful. Orange is the most beautiful color.
Okay. I'll do that. Yay! Wow! Amazing! Very nice! Wow!
Is the coloring method good, Ayla?
Yes!
Are you happy?
Yes!
Is it a new type of coloring?
Yes! I always like to use it. Do I like? No. If it's red, if it's pink, it will dry quickly. If the pink dries out, it will turn red. And if I color orange, what will it be?
It's the pottery after it's dried.
I think my colors are more beautiful. No, by the way, my colors are the best. I think my colors are more beautiful. By the way, my colors are the best. I think my colors are more beautiful.
By the way, all your colors are beautiful.
No, my colors are more beautiful. No, my colors are more beautiful.
By the way, all colors are beautiful.
Yay!
What shapes did you choose?
Star.
Ayla colored the pottery and wanted to decorate it with shapes. What shapes did you choose, Ayla?
Crescent and star.
What will you decorate the pottery with?
I want to decorate it with the star and crescent.
Star and crescent. Come on. And you, Sham? What will you decorate? Will you choose letters?
A, B, C, D. All characters.
Letters.
Okay.
Come on, start.
Yay! Mom! Yay!
Put more stars.
I love it so much!
Are we done, Ayla?
No,
Finished?
not yet.
Is this how we're done?
We're not done yet.
What color did you use above the violet?
Yellow. It's yours.
I think it's very beautiful. Very, very, very beautiful, Sham. What color will you add on?
Color. What colors are there?
What color goes with green, Ayla?
Blue. Blue?
Green and blue?
No, I will take this. I will choose the bright color.
Let me see.
There it is. Welcome. Try it and you will see.
Did you love it?
Very beautiful. Look. Look how it looks. Shiny?
It's shining.
Did you see that it shines at night? That's why people are not afraid when the light is off. Because this color shines in the dark. I will turn it. Have you seen her?
Wow.
Beautiful? Let me do it today. To decorate it all with letters.
Well,
I help you, Ayla?
no. Let's finish what you're doing first.
Please, Mom, let me help Ayla.
Not now. Sham, speak English, come on. Speak English, please.
Look at how it became, kids. Look at this too, kids. Very sticky. Look. Look. Oh,
You rushed it and it's still soft.
okay. Let's try again. They dried up.